For the past few years, our relationship with artificial intelligence has been a game of question and answers. You ask for a recipe, you get it. You ask for a summary of a 50-page document, it splits it out in a second. It's incredibly useful, but at the end of the day, traditional AI is just a digital tool that awaits for you to push the button. But right now, a massive paradigm shift is happening. We are moving from the era of AI that knows to the era of AI that does. Welcome to the world of Agentic AI. Think of it this way. Traditional AI is when you say, tell me the weather in Tokyo. Agentic AI is when you say, book my flight to Tokyo, reserve a boutique hotel, build an itinerary based on my interest, monitor the weather, and automatically adjust my bookings if a storm rolls in. It's no longer just a digital tool. It is becoming a digital employee. Hi, I'm Shreya, and today we deep dive into the Agentic AI. You're watching Tech Machine, and let's get started. So what actually makes an AI agentic? Instead of just predicting the next word in a sentence, an agentic AI system operates with a high level of autonomy. It is built to achieve a target objective by doing things humans do, like understanding complex goals, breaking them down into smaller tasks, making independent decisions, using external tools, learning from outcomes, and adopting its strategy when it fails. If you tell an agent to find the cheapest, most efficient way to travel from Delhi to Tokyo, next month it does just dump a list of links. Its planning algorithm kicks in to search flights, check visa requirements, and compare hotels. Then its reasoning engine weighs the option, balancing a cheaper price against a brutal 20-hour layover to decide which path best satisfies your true objectives. To pull this off, Agentic AI relies on a powerful core tech stack. Large language model acts as the central brain, providing the reasoning and language understanding. But a brain without hands cannot accomplish much. That's where tools comes calling in, allowing the AI to interact with the outside world. It can open browsers, call APIs, use calculator, log into enterprise software, and send emails. Without tool calling, AI can only think. With tools, AI can act. Add vector databases to the mix and the AI gains a long-term memory that remembers your past choices, seed preferences, and previous mistakes. We saw the earlier chaotic ancestor of this tech in the open source projects like AutoGPT and Baby AGI. Today, tech giants are highly deploying sophisticated enterprise agents capable of navigating websites and conducting deep research completely on their own. The practical implications of this are staggering across almost every industry. Take customer service for example. Instead of a chatbot repeating canned answers, an agentic AI can read an angry email, analyze the complaint, pull up the company database, verify a glitch, and issue a refund entirely on its own. In cybersecurity, agents work like an automated immune system. If malware is detected, the AI automatically isolates the infected device, cuts it off from the network, and generates a full incident report. For content creators and digital journalists, the future is equally wild. Imagine an AI newsroom agent that continuously monitors thousands of global feeds, detects a breaking story, cross-verifies facts against trusted database, drafts an initial article, and flags it for the human editor. The AI handles the heavy operational lifting, leaving human free to focus on editorial judgment, deep investigation, and storytelling. But giving AI the keys to act comes with massive risk. When traditional AI makes a mistake, it's a harmless hallucination on a screen. When an agentic AI hallucinates, it might accidentally delete a critical company database, book the wrong flight, or leak sensitive data because it misunderstood a line of context. Then there's the legal nightmare of accountability. If an autonomous agent executes a disastrous financial trade of contract, who faces the consequences? But perhaps the most fascinating challenge is the alignment problem, ensuring that AI actually wants what we want. If a corporation tells an AI agent to reduce customer service cost, A poorly aligned agent might decide that most efficient path is simply blocking all incoming customer emails. Technically, cost drops to zero and the goal is met, but the actual objective is completely ruined. Looking towards the next decade, experts predict a world of personal AI employees, autonomous scientific researchers, and even AI software engineers working with limited supervision. We might see future startups run by a single human founder and 20 specialized AI agents handling everything from marketing to coding to finance and customer support. Ultimately, agentic AI is a transformation as profound as the dawn of the internet or the smartphone. We are leaving the era of search and entering the era of execution. That's it for today's video. Hope you guys liked it. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Tech Machine. I'm Shreya signing off.